Are you preparing to move and worried about getting your full deposit back? Or maybe you're planning to rent the home or place it on the market. Whatever the reason, the house or apartment needs a thorough cleaning. It usually isn't until you've taken all your possessions out of the house that you realize just how worn it is. You can make time to thoroughly clean the place room by room, or you can hire a professional cleaning service to give the place an in-depth cleanse. Continue watching to see why hiring a pro is the better option. Reduce stress. Let's face it, moving can be a very stressful task. It also requires strategic planning. Most moves generally take place at the very end of the lease. If that's the case for you, there really isn't much time to get through your move-out cleaning list. There's no time to steam clean carpets, wash walls, or patch a small hole. You'll see that it's best to give yourself an extra day so a professional company can come in after you've gotten everything out. They're trained to clean spaces efficiently and quickly. Get your deposit. If you don't have any damages to your rental unit upon moving out, then you should have no issue getting your deposit back after a proper cleaning. But don't risk falling prey to a meticulous landlord. Get a move-out cleaning checklist and ensure each item is covered. If you go with a professional company, be sure to give them a copy of the checklist and have them sign off on each item. Then you'll recoup the cost when you receive your full deposit back. Save time. When a move is the result of relocation, you'll want to have as much professional help as possible. Sometimes relocation doesn't leave much time for a thorough house cleaning. You're lucky if you get everything done to ensure you arrive at your new job at the designated time. By hiring someone to clean for you, you're freeing up a couple of days you'll need to unpack. Great for management. When a tenant moves without cleaning the rental unit, the burden falls on the property owner to get the place ready for the next renter. One way to get a quick turnaround is by hiring a professional cleaning service. You can provide them with a standard apartment cleaning checklist. Over time, they'll become familiar with your requirements and jobs get done quicker. The cleaning is at no extra cost to you because it's paid for from the security deposit. You can even offer tenants the option of having the unit professionally cleaned for them. Sell faster. Have you ever looked on a real estate site like Zillow and saw homes for sale that looked like a hot mess? It happens all the time and can have a negative impact on the home's value. If you have a home on the market, you may want to consider having a professional cleaning service come in and do a deep cleaning. Professional cleaners are cost efficient and can possibly add value to the asking price of your home. A buyer touring a dirty, cluttered house could come in with a lower bid, whereas a clean space could get the asking price or more. Don't risk undervaluing your home because of dusty ceiling fans and built-up residue on the windows. Planning a clean move has many variables. You want your move to be quick, simple, and stress-free. Don't get bogged down by the weight of the decision to move. Deciding between doing the cleaning yourself or hiring someone is an easy decision. Choosing the right company, however, may take a little more thought. If you're planning a move and don't have time to do a thorough cleaning, contact us to schedule your professional cleaning today. Visit our site today for more details. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.